Lenny Locksmith. All right, I'm doing Dodge Promaster 2020 to see if it's actually star connected, but I don't believe it's not though. Dodge. He's got a key and we're adding a new key. I already cut the key. There's the key right here that I just cut. All right, let's do automatic selection. Let's read it. Let's get the hazards on anyway. Okay. I always put the hazards, and I got Wi-Fi on right here. All right. Okay, to ensure that they're not, please ensure that they're properly connected to the network. It is. We actually might have to yeah, we're gonna have to, hold on, we're gonna have to, which it shows a diagram, plug in probably down over there, which I've done. Yep, exactly. All right, no problem. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna show you where the exact connection is. How you doing? All right, so here's what we got. See this black box right there? Okay, that gateway, you have these two that were in there that I took out. Okay, and then it's plugged into the Autel over here. Okay, now to get this out, there was a panel right here, 2 screws, and then another screw right there. You'll see, it's common sense. And then I took these 2 screws out so I had a little more room to pull down. Okay. Now we're going to start with, I'm going to try system selection. All right, you have learned key, turn on the ignition, make sure we have Wi-Fi. Okay. Did one about a month ago at Amazon. I just got to remember which way was the easiest way for this to go. 1 second. All right, that's connected, everything's connected. This error's out, but let's see, hold on. Okay, first we're gonna do is read the password. Kim is calling me from your work. Just tell her that I'm in the middle of programming. Okay. We're gonna actually go in. Yes, we're gonna go, I'm gonna try to read it a different way. Try automatic selection, keys on, read, let's see if it'll read it. I doubt, oh, I read it. Okay, so much better.
Okay, I'll ask him. He's taking a video right now because I guess he doesn't do a lot of these answers.
No, the way on this section. Yeah, because tell her she has a different hookup.
Gotcha.
If you put her on speaker. Tell her it's not like...
I'm going to put you on speaker here.
Yeah, Kim, you got on this truck, this new one. It's you know how usually I connect 1, 2, 3 and I do it in the OBD. This one I got to connect to the gateway on the passenger side, which I'm showing my techs actually as I'm doing it how to do this. You know, I've done this I've done this a couple of times. I just did one for Amazon. So we'll get it all done for you.
Great, no problem. But I was wondering, do you take a payment with a credit card over the phone?
I take credit card, Zelle, whatever you want, Apple Pay. We take it all.
When you're done, just call me and I can pay you with a credit card.
You got it. No problem,
Thank
Kim.
you.
Bye.
All right. Hey, Kim.
Yep, you're welcome. Bye.
All right, bye.
Hit immobilizer scan. All righty. You have a learn key, ensure that the ignition is turned on and the engine is stopped. We got it turned on, engine is stopped. We got a lot of things going on in this video. Okay, we're checking everything out. One fault code. Let's do a quick erase DTC. Okay, let's read the PIN code. If there's a program key, you could switch it on. Yes, and the engine's off. We'll be done in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm in no rush.
Switch the ignition off, then on. Hold this phone like that. Okay. Switched it on and off. We got things going on here. All right, it's reading the password, and we got it. Let me take remember 86747. Write that down.
86747.
Yeah, just remember that. I usually would take a picture, but all right, key. Let's go to key learning. Okay. Went to key learning. Usually I don't go that way, but it would seem pretty easy. The Wi-Fi, okay. Okay, the type, it got the password already populated in there. Actually, the guy's truck, he even remembered the password just in case.
Mm-hmm.
Please confirm whether you need to generate a dealer key. We do. Hold this phone like this. I gotta grab one thing just to keep it on there. All right, so when they ask for that, guys, I gotta plug in this to make a dealer key for that new key. Let me see that key right there. That's the new one. So what I do is I put this in the programmer right here. So I just connected the programmer, hit yes, make sure we have Wi-Fi. Okay, so now that's gonna make that key a dealer key. See, it said turn the programmer on. Make sure the device is connected. It is. Now it's going. Detecting chip status. Generating a dealer key. Without doing this, it won't work, the key. You got to make it a dealer key. Sometimes it gets positioned wrong and it fails. Just move the key if that ever happens. Okay, the dealer key was generated successful. Okay, so that one's ready to go. The other one was already a dealer key because it was made. Now, keys programmed to the vehicle must be either a dealer key or pre-coded. It was. The build between learning two keys can't exceed 5 seconds. Please replace the key and switch it off and on within 5 seconds. All right, so that's the password. Now we're gonna go. Now the dealer key, the security code is that. Please check if it's correct. It is. Hold this phone while I do everything. Learning successful, number of keys 1. Do you want to program more keys? Yes. Switch ignition off. And remove the stored key. And switch ignition on with the other key to be programmed. Okay. I know it was a little past 5 seconds, but that's ridiculous. Okay, it was successful. Okay, all the original keys have been done. Wait, learn, do you want to program more keys? No. Switch ignition off. That's off right there. It's off. Okay, switch the ignition off. Switch ignition on. I'm getting cardio on this. I'm getting on this video. Okay, all successful. All right, now we try everything, and we are done. So you know, I tried his key. This is gonna be a big video for views. See, I'm betting on it, guys. Hit subscribe and all that stuff too. All right, and it's all done, and this is the new key, and it's working. Thank you, guys. You can shut it.